Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so we're going to be recording the topic 1 assessment practice, and we're going to start right now. Okay, ready? Let's do it. Okay, so topic 1, this is your practice test. This is also your study guide. So topic 1 practice test, assessment practice, all the kids, we did this page today. Okay, all right, let us start. Test is Friday, okay? All right, first question. Jace drew a picture which multiplication expression represents the total number of circles, okay? So this is called equal groups, okay? We can use that for division and multiplication. So we have 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups, 4 groups, okay? So how many is in 1 group? 2. So this is 4 groups times 2 in each. So the answer would be 4 times 2. Okay. Number 2. Aiden has 2 turtles in each of 4 aquariums. Each usually means multiply when you have 2 smaller numbers. Okay. So let's write an equation that represents how many turtles Aiden has in all. Okay, so on the test, I'm going to have this. Blank times blank equals blank. Okay. And then to solve it, if you need to, I saw the kids do this while they were reviewing. They drew their 4 aquariums, and they put 2 little turtles in each, and then they counted the total, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is 4 aquariums, 2 turtles in each, 8 altogether. That's the equation, and that's the answer, and that's the equal groups. Noah's watering can holds enough water for watering 4 plants. How many plants can Noah water if he fills his watering can 3 times? Okay, so I'm going to water my plants 1 time. This is 4 plants watered 1 time. Second time I water them, 4 plants again. Third time I water it, 4 plants. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can draw equal groups. You could also draw an array. I have 4 plants planted in this row. I water them. That's 1 time. 4 plants again. Water that same row again. And then I water the 4 plants again. This is an array. So I do 4 times 3. This is the 3 rows. So 4 times 3 equals 12. You can also do repeated addition. It's 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Okay. Number 4. Megan organized her photos in this array. This is an array right here. When you do your rows and your columns, what is the multiplication equation for the array? Draw a different array that has the same factors. So this one has 4 on the side and 3 at the top, okay? To change it, all you have to do is this. And then you have a different array, okay? So to draw it, instead of 4 on the side and 3 at the top, I'll do 4 at the top and 3 on the side. And I just fill in my missing pieces. So this one was 4 times 3 equals 12. This one is 3 times 4 equals 12. So on your test, I'm going to want this and this. Okay? Number 5. Josiah kicked 6 3-point field goals in his football game. 6 of them. What multiplication equation represents the number of points that Josiah scored? Okay? So he scored 3 points 6 times. Okay? The kids got this one in class. They did so wonderful. This is 6 times 3, okay? You didn't even need to know the answer, but if you have more than one that has a 6 and a 3, you do need to figure out the answer. But right now we have it. It's 18, okay? They can draw their equal groups or their array. It's all the same thing over and over again. They can draw 3 circles, 6 in each, count them all together, and they'll get 18. All right, Teresa is growing 2 rows of tomato plants with 4 plants in each row. 2 rows. 4 tomato plants, 4 tomato plants. Write an expression that represents the total number of plants. All right, this is 2 times 4 equals 8. Done. All right, second page, moving along. Anne has 24 tennis balls. She separates them into 3 different baskets. Write a division equation that shows the number of tennis balls in each basket. So on the test, I'm going to have the little blanks. When you do division, your largest number always goes first. So this is going to be 24 divided by 3. Okay, always put your big number first. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And then you count how many's in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is your answer. Done. Number 8. Mikhail gave 3 pencils to each, 3 times 7, of his friends. Which equation represents the number of pencils Mikhail gave away? Only one of these does 3 and a 7. It's this one. Done. Al needs to put 9 hats in each box. Now this is a each, but wait a minute. Do you multiply times 45? Phew, not yet, not in 3rd grade. Write and solve an equation that shows how many boxes Al can fit. If he's put 9 in each box, those are groups. So this is going to be division. 45 divided by 9 equals, now I told the class about this. If it ends with a 5, you have to have a 5 somewhere in your problem. But if you don't know that, you can do your 9 in a row, and you can do your arrays, or you could do your 9 circles, and you count out your 45s until you get the answer and how many's in the circle. Or with division, you can do repeated subtraction. You can subtract 9 over and over again until you get 0. Okay? Number 10, 48 students in a class. The teacher puts them in 8 equal groups. How many students in each group? All right, this is going to be 48 divided by 8 equals. So let's do repeated subtraction so I can show you that. 48 minus 8 equals 40. 40 minus 8 equals 32. 32 minus 8 equals 24. 24 minus 8 equals, I'm forgetting what I'm supposed to do. 16. 16 minus 8 equals 8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. All right, then you circle all your subtractions. I subtracted here, 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 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. You could do your equal groups, draw your 8 circles, put your dots. Okay, this is just repeated subtraction. Seema makes 14 muffins to give to her friends. She wants to give 2 muffins each. How many friends can she invite? Explain how she can figure out how many friends to invite. So this says explain. Explain means to use words. She can use counters, and she could separate them into groups of 2. She can use an array. She could use repeated subtraction. So whatever you want to use, you can write it right here. Okay? So I'm going to write counters and separate into groups of 2. Ta-da! All right, and that would be, if we were solving it, which it didn't say to solve, well, and that does ask right there, but we're going to write our equation equals 7. 14 cut in half equals 7. All right, this one is just like the homework one we went over in class. 15 divided by 3. All you gotta do is find a 15 and a 3 and make sure it's 15 things divided into 3 groups. 15 books, 3 shelves? Maybe. 15, 15? Nope. 3 and 15? 3 books separated into 15 shelves. Can you take 3 books and chop them up into 15 pieces? Nope. 3 and 3? Nope. So it has to be A. All right, just make sure it's 15 items and 3 groups when you're separating division, okay? We're done with that page. Okay, this side of the practice assessment is the one that is going to be on the test. I am not going to be using the one that's like on this side. So we're going to be practicing the one that's on this side. Before you start your performance assessment, you always look and see what kind of goodies they have, okay? So first we have sticker prices. We have green costs $6, blue is $9, yellow is $12, and stickers are $1 for 3. Then on this side, oh, we got somebody saving some money. Number 1, it says, how much money has Jamie saved after 4 weeks? So this is all 3s. So she has 4 weeks. And each week, she saved $3. So that's 4 times 3. And that's going to be $12. Jamie divides his money into 2 equal parts. So we're going to take this money and split it in half. Okay? So 12 divided by 2, equals 6. So he has $6 to spend. Jamie spends that on a sticker album. Which of these albums can he buy for $6? Only one, the cheap one, green. All right, number 3. Jamie spends the other part of his money on stickers, so he has $6 left. If $1 buys 3 stickers, how much can $6 buy? Okay, so in class I had to draw a picture for the kiddos. So I drew a bar diagram to help them. I have $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $1 buys 3 stickers. Another $1, 3 stickers. 3, 3, 3, 3. This is 6 3s. Okay? And if you would count it, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, or you count by your 3s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. However you want to count it, it's going to equal 18 stickers. All right? After spending his money, Jamie decides he wants to buy another album. He plans to save $3 a week until he can buy a blue sticker album. How many weeks does he have to work? All right, so blue sticker albums cost $9. He has to work and save $3 a week. So 9 divided by 3. How many 3s are in that 9? How many 3s, $3 weeks does he have to save? And that's going to be 3. 3 weeks. Another way that you can solve this is another bar diagram. You have week 1, week 2, week 3, and you want 9. In the book it looks like this. They have a block and they do an arrow. So 3, 6, 9. So 3 times 3. 3, 3, 3. So in 3 weeks, he can buy the blue album. Okay? All right. That's it. Do your best. Study for the test. Whoop, whoop.